students. Now in this module, module number 2, we are going to talk about in the same chapter, E for environment, chapter number 11, about the waste. So what is the waste? Anything which is not useful for us, that is a waste. It can be anything. It can be the rough paper, it can be peels, it can be kitchen waste, anything. It can be the plastic bottle that you drink water and then you throw it away, right? So these all the things are the waste for us. We use it for some time and then it becomes a waste. It can be also the part of the same, right? So let us know what are the different types of waste. So basically there are two types of waste. One is biodegradable and another one is non-biodegradable. In biodegradable waste, we will talk about the waste which is produced generally in homes and basically in the kitchen, you can say. So leftover food, it is a part of the kitchen. Dead plant, it is a part of a garden. Dry leaves, it is also the part of a garden. Then peels, vegetable peel, fruit peels, any peels, the peels which comes out of the vegetable. So these peels. Then paper, so that also comes in the house, right? So these are the biodegradable waste. And why do we call them the biodegradable waste? Because the microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi and earthworms, they decompose such waste and then this biodegradable waste mixes with the environment and it is safe for our environment, you can say, right? There is another type of waste which is known as the non-biodegradable waste, like plastic goods, silver foils, aluminum cans, then metal scraps. Scraps means anything which is not useful from the metal, right? It can be a small keychain or something. So, and even the e-waste, like your digital waste, you can say, your used cameras, used phones, you use laptops, these all comes into the e-waste. So these things are not decomposed by the organisms. They cannot be decomposed, right? And it takes many years to get it decomposed, right? So that is why it is not safe for our environment because it does not mix with the environment, and that is why it is known as the non-biodegradable waste. And the other one is the e-waste. E-waste is the digital waste. I have already explained it. So e-waste also comes into the non-biodegradable waste. So we are going to talk about the waste management in our next video. There I will make you understand.
Dear students, in the same chapter, chapter number 11, E for environment, now we are going to talk about the types of waste. Children, this is your module number 2. What is a waste? We all know this, that whatever is useful to us, whether it is in vegetable, whether it is in fruit, whether it is in a kitchen, whether it is in room, whether it is in your study material, we used to keep the useful things and other unwanted things we throw away. So that is what the waste is. We often call it as rubbish, garbage, trash, junk, etc. Garbage is the waste we produce daily in our homes, including our old or unwanted food, chemical substances, paper, broken furniture, used containers and other things. So we all know all these things. So sometimes you have a paper which can be thrown out, you have a food which is given to the animals, or sometimes it is being thrown out as well. And we have the broken furniture also that we used to keep away and we used to throw it away, right? And then children, this is how we generate huge amount of waste in our daily life. Now there are basically two types of waste. One is biodegradable and another one is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste is the leftover food, you can say fruit and vegetable peels, paper, leaves, etc. So this comes into the biodegradable waste. Then why biodegradable waste it is called so? Because it decomposes easily and it gets rot. Rot means सड़ जाता है, right? It rot easily and mix with the soil. Then microorganisms such as fungi, bacteria, earthworms, they used to decompose these types of biodegradable waste. So in these pictures you can see there are leftover food, then there are the vegetable peels and the rotten vegetables, they have the dead plants. So these all are the biodegradable waste. Then we have non-biodegradable waste. Children, now let us know what are the non-biodegradable waste. So whatever which cannot be rotten or which cannot decompose due to the microorganisms, that comes into the category of non-biodegradable waste, like plastic goods, silver foils, aluminium cans, metal scraps, etc. These are the non-biodegradable waste. Then why these are called as the non-biodegradable waste? Because they do not mix with the soil and they remain as it is for long in the environment, right? And they take many years to get decomposed, right? So slowly and gradually they decompose, but it takes many years. Okay, so let's move forward in this. Children, now let us talk about the electronic waste, or we usually call it as e-waste. E-waste or the electronic waste consists of computers, parts of computers, mobile phones and other devices, electrical devices, which are usually get, you can say they are not repairable at all, they are out of order. So these all the things comes into the electronic waste or the e-waste, and they also take many years to decompose. Now let us see. Yes, now let us know the facts and features that which waste takes how much time to decompose. So here is a table where I tried to show you that. So kitchen waste take 2 to 5 weeks. Then plywood, if we talk about 1 to 3 years, paper waste 2 to 6 weeks, aluminium can 80 to 200 years. So children, be careful when you talk about the aluminium cans or you are drinking anything in the aluminium can, you should think twice that we should use it or we should not use it, right? Then plastic bottle 450 years and the glass bottle which takes around 1 million years, right? So these are some of the facts about the types of waste that take time to decompose. Thank you and have a nice day.